Good morning, students. Hope you have seen our last video for chapter number 21, in which we have discussed about single-sided error. In our first video, we have discussed about the types of error. Now, afterward, we have made another video, that is second video, in which I told you about how to find or correct the single-side error. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the two-side error, in which both of the account are affected, either it is debit account or either it is credit account. So today we will discuss about the rectification of double-sided error, in which we will discuss how to rectify by making a single entry. But before that, for your basic knowledge, I am trying to tell about the wrong entry also, correct entry also, and how to rectify this. So I have a few examples for you to tell how to rectify double-sided error and what type of error in double-sided error we found. We have a question for double-sided error, that is machinery purchase on credit from Mohan for 50,000 has been entered in purchase book. As we know, machinery, when we purchase the machinery, it is an asset for us and it is an capital expense. So if we purchase the machinery, our entries should be machinery account debit into cash account, but or maybe machinery account debit to vendor account. Vendor is Mohan in this case, so we will post machinery account debit to Mohan. But what we have did, we have entered that entry into the purchase book, means we have entered that entry into the purchase book, means we have posted that entry into the purchase book. So how to correct that entry? We will have, first we have to post our wrong entry. We have entered it in purchase book because it is an capital expense, so we will put directly to that asset account, not to the other account. Purchase account is for purchasing goods, though, in which we are trading, but machinery is an asset for us. And in this question they do not have discussed about the type of business of the owner. If the business owner has the business of selling and purchasing of machinery, then it is okay. But because they have not mentioned anything about the business of the owner, so we will take machinery as an asset for that owner. So first we will post the wrong entry for that one, and then what will be the correct entry, and then we will rectify the entry. So first we will post the wrong entry. Wrong entry we entered through purchase book. So wrong entry will be purchase account debit to cash, or what, they do not have mentioned anything, so we will take Mohan instead of cash. Cash we take only in case of cash transaction. In this transaction, he already mentioned that is a credit transaction from Mohan, so we will take Mohan instead of cash. So after taking Mohan, the entry they have made, that is purchase account debit to Mohan. Amount is 50,000. Because it is an credit transaction, so we will not take cash. We will take the name of the vendor. Vendor is Mohan and vendor is the person whom we are purchasing. Now what will be the correct entry? Correct entry would be in the name of asset, because we have the name of the asset. So correct entry would be machinery account debit to Mohan. So this will be the entry that we have to post. But what we have done, we have posted the wrong entry, and the wrong entry what we have posted, that is purchase account debit to Mohan. So in the both of the case you have seen, we need to credit the Mohan. In this case also we already credited Mohan. But we need to debit machinery, but what we debited? We debited purchase account. So how to rectify these entry? First thing is this: how to rectify this entry? First, machinery account we need to debit in according to the correct entry by 50,000. So in rectifying entry, we will debited machinery account by 50,000. Machinery account debit by 50,000. Mohan we need to credit. We already credited in this entry also. what we have make a mistake, we make a mistake in the debit account. Debit we need to machinery, but we debited purchase account. Now we debited purchase account, but we do not have any need to debit purchase account. So we will now for cancelling the effect of that debit in the purchase account, we will credit it to purchase account by 50,000. Now you can see this is the wrong entry that we made. What will be the correct entry that we need to make? That is this. And for rectifying our wrong entry, we made another rectified entry. So this the entry we need to post, but this we need to post directly. We do not have to post first wrong or first correct, then we will make the rectified. We directly need to post rectified entry. This is only for letting you know how to correct the entry. So in this case we need to debit machinery account, so we will debited it for the rectifying the entry. But we have debited purchase account wrongly, so we need to credit it. So we credited purchase account by the same account by which amount that we have debited purchase account. So this is how we have rectifying our entry. These are the double-sided error, because in this case machinery account need to be debited, but we do not have debited machinery account, and purchase account we do not have to do anything, and but we debited. तो मशीनरी अकाउंट में कुछ डेबिट करना था लेकिन हमने नहीं किया, परचेज अकाउंट को हमने कुछ करना ही नहीं था लेकिन हमने डेबिट कर दिया. तो मशीनरी अकाउंट को हमें डेबिट करना था तो हम डेबिट कर देंगे, और परचेज अकाउंट को जिसको हमने गलती से डेबिट किया उसको कैंसिल करने के लिए उसका अकाउंट क्रेडिट कर देंगे, तो उसका जो बैलेंस है वो नलीफाई हो जाएगा. जनरेट जो हुआ होगा बैलेंस उसको नलीफाई करना है फॉर रेक्टिफाइंग अवर एंट्री. After this we have another example. 1000 received from Kamal Kishore. 1000 received from Kamal Kishore have been credited in the account of Krishan Kishore. So there is the difference between the name. We need to post entry in the account of Kamal Kishore, but we have credited the account of Krishan Kishore. So first we need to find what the wrong entry we have made and what the correct entry we were needing to make. So first we need to find what the account, the 1000 rupees received from Kamal Kishore. We received 1000 rupees from the Kamal Kishore, and we know for receiving we have single entry, that is cash account debit to Kamal Kishore. In this case the amount is 1000. So this entry need to be post, but what we made have been credited into the account of Krishan Kishore. What we made, the wrong entry that we made is cash account debited to Krishan Kishore by 1000 by 1000. So in this entry, first you need to make a entry that is correct entry. After that, found what the wrong entry you have made, then you need to rectify that entry. First, the correct entry in this case would be cash account debit to Kamal Kishore, because we are receiving money from Kamal Kishore. So the entry would be cash account debit to Kamal Kishore. But now the term came wrong entry, that is has been credited in the account of Krishan Kishore. इट मीन्स हमने पैसे तो रिसीव किए कमल किशोर से, लेकिन अकाउंट क्रेडिट कर दिया हमने कृष्ण किशोर का. तो आवर एंट्री वुड बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कृष्ण किशोर. दैट इज द रॉन्ग एंट्री दैट वी हैव मेड, एंड दैट इज द करेक्ट एंट्री दैट वी डिड नॉट मेड. We need to make this entry, but we made this. Now we have to correct this entry. How we will correct? First thing, we need to check that cash account we need to debit, we have debited by the same amount. So cash account is correct in this entry. We need to correct only Krishan and Kamal account. First we need to credit Kamal account, but we have not credited, so we will credit first Kamal account to Kamal Kishore by 1000 rupees. In this entry we have credited Kamal Kishore account. Now We do not have to credited Krishan Kishore, but we have credited. For nullifying the effect of this credit, we need to debit Krishan Kishore account. Krishan Kishore debit to Kamal Kishore. So this is how we rectifying the entry. In this question, you have clearly seen that in first entry, we do not have to make an entry in the purchase account. We do not have to debit purchase account, and we debited it. For nullifying the effect of that debit, we credited the purchase account. In this case, we do not have to credit creation account, but we have credited. So for nullifying the effect of the credit in the creation Kishore, we have to debit the creation Kishore account. You can see clearly we have debited creation Kishore account in this case. Then in earlier question, we need to debit machinery account, but we do not debit it because we debited purchase instead of machinery. So we need to debit machinery account. In this case also, we need to debit Kamal Kishore account. We need to credit Kamal Kishore account, but we credited Krishan Kishore account. So we would credit Kamal Kishore account and कृष्ण किशोर का अकाउंट हमें क्रेडिट नहीं करना था, लेकिन हमने किया, तो उसको नलीफाई करने के लिए अब हम उसमें डेबिट करेंगे उसके अकाउंट में, तो उसका जो इफेक्ट है वो नलीफाई हो जाएगा बाय द सेम अमाउंट. These are the double side error of the same amount. In this question, you can see we have debited or credited the account by the same account. In this question also, we have to credit Kamal Kishore account, but we credited Krishan Kishore account by same amount. Maybe after that you will get change in the questions that 1000 rupees received from Kamal Kishore has been credited in the account of Krishan Kishore by 100 rupees. In that case, you need to make another account, that is you can use suspense account, because you were in need to credit Kamal Kishore by 1000, but Krishan Kishore you have credited by only 100. So you can debit Krishan Kishore only by 100. Remaining 900 you will debit in suspense account. So you need to open suspense account also in that case when there is a difference in between amounts. So this is the question that we have done. In this question also, we have made an wrong entry in wrong account. Like in first question, we have make an error of principle in which we taken capital expense as an revenue expense, because machinery purchase is an capital expense for us, but we taken it as revenue expense by posting the entry into the purchase book. In this question, we have made the wrong entry in the books, in which we have posted in the Krishan Kishore account instead of Kamal Kishore. After this, we will have another two question on the two side error. That is, furniture sold on credit to Ajit for 1000 rupees were passed through the sale book. In this question, you can easily check we have made wrong entry in the books of account, that is sale account. We sold goods to Ajit for 1000 rupees. When we have the name of the good or a name of the asset, we use the name of the asset. So first we need to make correct entry, then we will post wrong entry, and then we will rectify that. First correct entry would be furniture sold on credit to Ajit for 1000 rupees would be Ajit to furniture. Then but it was passed through the sales book. So now we made a mistake. How to correct it? So first we will post wrong entry, that is Ajit debit to sales account for 10,000. What would be the correct entry that we need to make? That is Ajit debit to furniture account by 10,000 by 10,000. In this entry, you can clearly check what would be the right entry, because we are selling furniture to Ajit. So in this case, we need to debit Ajit account to furniture because we are selling furniture. And I told in many times that whenever we have the name of the asset, we use the name of the asset, not sale. Sale is only for trading goods, and when we purchase asset, we will put directly the name of the asset. So our entry should be Ajit to Ajit account debited or Ajit debited to furniture account. But what we have made, we passed this entry through the sales book. We posted in the sales book, that is Ajit account debit to sales. So in this question, you can see that we need to debit Ajit account and we have debited it correctly. So we do not have to make any change in the account of Ajit because we have debited it correctly. The only thing that we need to credit furniture account, but instead of credit furniture account, we have credited sale account. So now we need to reverse this entry by, first thing is we need to credit furniture account. So we will credit to furniture account, that would be 10,000, but we do not have to credit sales account, but we have credited. For nullifying the effect, we will debit sales account, sales account debit by the same amount, that is 10,000. So in this case also you can see we need to nullify the effect that we have put it in the account of sales and फर्नीचर. हमें फर्नीचर का अकाउंट क्रेडिट करना था, बट हमने क्या किया, एंट्री पोस्ट कर दी सेल्स अकाउंट में, सेल्स को क्रेडिट कर दिया विदाउट एनी रीजन. सो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू क्रेडिट फर्नीचर बिकॉज उसको क्रेडिट करना था, तो हमने फर्नीचर को क्रेडिट कर दिया. अजीत का अकाउंट करेक्ट था, तो अजीत के अकाउंट को हम डेबिट नहीं कर सकते थे, बट सेल हमको क्रेडिट नहीं करनी थी, लेकिन हमने क्रेडिट की, तो उसको नलिफाई करने के लिए वी विल डेबिट sales account. So in this entry you can see we debited sales account and we credited furniture account by the same amount. So these are the entries that we call two-side entry, in which we post in the wrong account or we post either the wrong amount. So you can easily correct that entry if you know the correct entry. What should you made? In this case also, the correct entry is Ajit debit to furniture account. We know about purchase or sale of an asset, we use the name of the asset. If we are purchasing car, we will use car. If we are purchasing machinery, we will use machinery. In this case also, when we are purchasing furniture from Ajit, we will use furniture instead of sale, because sales we will use only for trading goods, in which the owner or the businessman is trading. But if he is purchasing an asset for his business, then the name of the business will come in the entry. The another thing is capital expenses and revenue expenses. In this case you can see furniture sold, it is capital, or it is capital revenue, in which it is capital income, in which you are going to receive money from Ajit. But what we made it through sales book. So for sales book we use only for trading goods. Then we need to rectify, we will credited furniture account, that we forgot, and so we will do it, and we posted entry in sales account and we credited the sales account, so we will rectify it by debiting the sales account. After that we have another entry, that is a cash sale of 5,000 has not been recorded in cash book at all. What we made, we have forgot to post the entry. It is the entry that I told is about the omission, that is the complete omission. We did not post the entry in the books. So we know about the cash sale entry, that is cash account debit to sales account by 5,000 by 5,000. In this entry we do not have to make any change. This is the entry about the omission of entry, in which we forgot to journalize or post entry. In this case we have made a sale that is in cash for 5,000, but we have not recorded it in cash book. And we know when there is a outflow or inflow of cash, we always have to record it in cash book. In this case, when we having sale, there is an inflow of cash, so we need to record on debit side of cash book, and the entry would be cash account debit to sales, because we are receiving cash in this case, and in sale case we always receive the cash, or maybe BR or any other instrument. So there is always a inflow of money or instrument in term of sale. So in this question also we have make a sale, that is cash sale, but we forgot to post the entry in our cash book. So we will post directly in this. We do not have to make three form, that is wrong entry, correct entry and rectified entry, because we do not have posted any wrong entry. What we did, we forgot to post any entry. So in this we will post directly entry. So these are the two-sided error in which we tried to rectify it by making three entries, that is wrong, correct and rectified entry. But in later question you have to make only a single entry, that is rectified entry. This is only for practice, that you let you know about how to rectify the entry, how to find the mistake that you have maken. In this question, this would be the this would be the correct entry that we had to made, but we did not made correct entry. What we made, that is Ajit debit to sales account. So first we need to find what is the wrong entry that we have made, what will be the correct entry that we need to make, then what will be the rectified, how to rectify that mistake. So practice these question basis on two-sided error in your notebook. Try to post entry in starting by three types, that is wrong, correct and rectified. Then try to make a single entry, that is rectified entry. So mainly focus on rectified entry. Do not try to fix yourself in this format, because you do not have to post this format in journal entry. You need to post directly a single rectified entry. This is only for letting you know how to correct or how to find the mistake. Okay, thank you everyone.